We are at the car wash and he is scared. Look.
It's not gonna do nothing to you. You in the car.
He is scared. He said no! Guys, yan. Look at it.
It's okay. We're waxing now. We're waxing. Wax. Wax on, wax off. Mr. Miyagi.
Because you just got upgraded to wear a pair of tickets to see Post Malone.
Y'all hot?
You are officially going
Look at
to
there's
see
still
Post
stuff
Malone
on it.
concert.
That's from the paint.
For real, super serious.
Still paint.
His face.
Got 2 tickets.
Okay, cry baby.
Crazy question. Would you make out with Post Malone? Yeah. I mean,
That's what you get for
He just threw this. He just threw this. Stop!
what